So today you are going to learn the secret to never landing in spam when cold emailing, and that is AI email warmup. So below is a screenshot of one of our campaigns in which we got an above 80% open rate. And that's really the norm for most of our campaigns. We usually see over 80% open rates across the board, which is significantly higher than the industry standard. Most people see maybe 20, 30, 40% open rates, but we're able to over double that. And in big part, that is because AI email warmup. So what is AI email warmup? Basically, warmup is simulated conversations between your email inbox and another one. So basically, within warmup emails, you are going to be sending a bunch of emails to other people within a warmup pool who then respond and engage positively. So here's an example of what a warmup email looks like. If you want to take a second to pause the video and read it, it really isn't saying much, but basically it's just sending out an email to another person within the warmup pool, and they're responding positively. And yeah. So once a warmup email is sent from your email account, the recipient within the warmup pool automatically opens up the email, engages with it, and then responds positively. Moreover, if your email lands in the recipient's spam folder, the warmup tool actually automatically pull that email out of the spam folder, respond to it, and again, engage. Now, warmup pools have hundreds of thousands of emails interacting with one another. So it's a really diverse set of emails ranging from, 10 to 20 years ago to, more newer emails. Now, you may be asking, why is this relevant? This sort of sounds like, something that's nice to have, but why is this even relevant to me? So warmup actually builds your sender reputation, and this is super, super important when cold emailing. When you first buy an email, it has zero reputation. It's not positive or it's not negative. So if you were to just start sending a bunch of cold emails from a brand new account, people would inevitably start responding negatively. Some may mark you as spam, and your sender reputation would tank. And this would start causing you to land in spam, and ultimately you wouldn't be able to get in front of more of your prospects' eyes. But when you are warming up your email accounts, you are training email service providers such as Google and Microsoft to understand that you are sending from a legitimate account with a good reputation that has interacted with other emails cold and has solicited positive responses. Another benefit of email warmup is the ability to track your domain's health. So most warmup tools actually track when your emails land in the inbox versus spam, and it gives you a sender score. So based on that, you can deduct how many of your cold emails would land in spam and then adjust accordingly. So you may be asking, what are the best tools for email warmup? It's really, really clear, either instantly.ai or smartlead.ai. Both of these are both email sending tools and email warmup tools. At our agency, we personally use smartlead.ai, but really you can use either. So let's discuss the ideal warmup protocol. 1, you're going to either use instantly.ai or smartlead.ai. 2, before you send a single cold email, you're going to warm up your emails for 14 days. This is going to ensure that you have a positive sender reputation before you start cold emails. When you start your email warm-up, you can't just start sending, 100 emails from a brand new account that's also going to get you marked as spam and flagged as a potentially a dangerous account. So you start at 0 warm-up emails, and every day you add an additional 5 warm-up emails until you hit 50 warm-up emails per day. Once you hit that 50 warm-up emails per day, you are going to continue sending that amount until the end of the 14-day period. Once you've hit that 14-day period, you are ready to start sending cold emails. Now what you're going to do is decrease the amount of warm-up emails you send to between 20 and 30 a day. And then you're going to send about 25 cold emails a day. Now, if over 30% of your warm-up emails start to land in spam, what you're going to do is pause your cold email campaigns, re-up your warm-up emails to 50 emails per day, leave that on for 2 weeks to essentially recalibrate your emails, train the ESPs that you're a positive sender, and essentially restore your domain's health. Once you've done that, you can return to the normal protocol, decrease warm-up emails to 20, 30 a day, and restart campaigns. And yeah, that's about it. That is the ideal email warm-up protocol. That's how to use email warm-up, what it is, and all that stuff. So if you found any value in this video, I would really appreciate if you left a like, left a comment, and then subscribed to see a lot more actionable cold email tips. Until next time.